What are those? What is that? Please don't touch my wraps. Please don't touch my wraps. You already know it's your boy Jay Will coming back with another one. And we are going to be unboxing the Raf Simons Adidas slides. You already know the exclusive designer slides from my man Raf Simons. He makes shoes and slides. I didn't see many videos on the Raf Simons slides on YouTube. I might have seen like one or two, so I had to make this video. I don't even make videos like this, but when I seen like there's not many of them out there, I was like, F it, let's do this, man. So when we're unboxing the Raf Simons slides, the first thing you get out of the box is this Raf Simons Adidas right there. You know, this is the exclusive slip. I got mine from the NYC sneaker store in New York City, so you already know, gotta make sure they're authentic. And they come in a box like so, skinny box. It says Raf Simons Adidas on it. Here's the back of it. I got the RS Adilette checkerboard slides, and there's a yellow color wave, a brown color wave, and a color wave, and a gray one out of the checkerboard. And I got the yellow ones. They didn't really have the gray and the brown. Those might have been my first choice, but these look great. And if you can get your hands on either one of them, I really recommend you do so. So here's the slide right here. You already know, please don't touch my Ravs. The Raf Simons Adidas slides. As you can see, it says Raf Simons right there. Might be a little hard to see. And then it has Adidas to the side of it. And this is the checkerboard color wave. Yes, sir. Leather on the bottom, leather at the top. And one thing to notice are these are made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, you probably can't see that, but right there it will say made in Italy. So if you are buying these, make sure they say made in Italy. If it says made in China or United States or anywhere else, they're probably not the original ones. And you already know, let's get into trying these on and let's see what they look like on feet, man. Let's get it. So I tried the slides on. They fit great. They feel great. I'm a size 10. I went up a size above to a size 11. I wouldn't recommend going a size down because the size 11 fits pretty snug. I don't have too much extra room into the slide, but they fit great. Whenever you make a movement in the slides, you feel a cushion. Your foot kind of sinks into the leather, and they fit great. I would recommend these over the Adidas Yeezy slides only because the Adidas Yeezys, they resell at a ridiculous price. They're made out of cheaper material, and you can probably find these almost cheaper. These retail at $120, but you can probably find them maybe for $80 to $100 probably, or to that $120 to $150 range, just depending on where you go and where you're looking. So I mean, they don't resell at a ridiculous price. They are affordable, and they feel a lot better than the Yeezy slides in my opinion, and I would recommend getting these slides. But you already know it's your boy Jay Will coming back with another one. Hey, like the video and sub to your boy, man. You already know we coming with it, man. Let's get it.